Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a baby to your flight on American Airlines. If you've booked a ticket and need to include an infant traveling on your lap, this process will help you update your reservation quickly and correctly. First, open your browser and head over to a.com. Once you're on the American Airlines homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This step is important because it gives you access to your existing bookings and allows you to make changes directly. After logging in, look for the Travel Information section in the main navigation menu. Click on Travel Information, and from the drop-down options that appear, select your trips. This will take you to a page displaying all your current and upcoming flight reservations with American Airlines. Now that you're viewing your trips, locate the specific booking where you need to add your baby. Click on that reservation to open up the full details. Here's where you'll be able to make modifications to your passenger information. Once the booking details are displayed, navigate to the passenger section. This is typically found under the list of travelers or the names of people already included on the ticket. You'll see options related to who's flying on this reservation. Look for a button or link that says Add Infant in Lap or similar wording. This option is specifically designed for parents traveling with babies who will be sitting on their lap during the flight rather than occupying a separate seat. Click on this option to proceed. A form will appear asking you to enter your baby's details. Type in your baby's full name exactly as it appears on their birth certificate or identification document. Make sure the spelling is accurate to avoid any issues at the airport. Then, enter your baby's date of birth in the format requested by the system. After filling in all the required information, click Save or continue to confirm that the infant has been added to your flight. The system will process this update and your reservation will now reflect that you're traveling with a lap infant. American Airlines may send you a confirmation email with the updated booking details. And that's it. You've successfully added your baby to your American Airlines flight, ensuring a smooth check-in process when you arrive at the airport. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.